At Renton School District, we are committed to next-level cleanliness in preparation for your safe return to school. The safety of our students and staff always comes first. Our dedicated custodial team has worked to improve our already high standard of cleaning by implementing higher-grade EPA disinfectants used throughout and in the most critical spaces. We sanitize common touch points and surfaces, which include push bars, door handles and knobs, desks, handrails, bathroom fixtures, and other touch points throughout our facilities. Adding this to our routine cleaning tasks of mopping, vacuuming, sanitizing, and disinfecting, we make cleanliness our top priority, and we're committed to reviewing and adopting superior disinfecting techniques and processes. While washing your hands is the preferred method, we've also made sure that hand sanitizing stations are nearby throughout our schools. By partnering with neighboring school districts and industry experts, Renton School District not only complies with CDC disinfecting guidelines, we exceed them. The custodial team's #1 priority is to ensure that our schools are safe. And when the time is right for you to return to school, we'll be ready to safely welcome you back.